Hey, I also noticed that the clutch is not good adjusted and it sounds dry. We're gonna do something about that. First we're gonna loosen that one. Just very carefully. Dan screw het. Nou, dit is echt slecht. Nee. Align the two slits. Then we need 10 and a screw driver. First enough, then a little bit back. Oh, this is a long time no grease. Ah, jongens. Nah. Some sticky stuff. So, to that side, yes. Then we line all these holes, how you call them, line them up, and we got them out. Yeah, it's all. Up. Then we go. We drip some nice motor oil in it. So, cleaned it all out with petrol. This thing, the adjustment screw, this thing too, this one, and now this is really, it was really filthy, so clean it really good. Let's see. Pop up. Forgot to turn the camera on. So you missed my cleaning of the clutch lever. Oh, so fast. So now this looks nice, but now for the lubrication, for this application I use EP2 grease, and EP stands for extra pressure, extreme pressure, whatever. Don't use any grease, ball bearing or so is not for this application. This grease is very yeah, how you say it, sticky. You barely can press it away. It's also for the steering stem, the ball bearings in there. It's not like a ball bearing or a bearing in the wheels. They spin at high speed. This goes just every now and then. So, long story short, we use this kind of grease. Up. You know, normally I say don't do too much grease, but in this you can use it with a good amount. Up, under in, watch. Then this one, feel if it's good. Yep. Some more. I always do the hole where the cable is. So just a bit therein, and then yeah, this thing you can use any kind of grease, but this is good now for this application. Now, let's see. So, then put a bit of grease in here and over there, and a tiny bit on the switch. How we do that? The end of the cable, we want to clean that too. Then I've already a bit of grease into that. Up. Yes. And now we're gonna hook it in again. Up. And I always use a little bit of grease over there too, as this rubs into. Okay. Pop, pop, pop. So, now then line it up with ready, steady, slide it in. See? Now it goes easy. Here, package. Just tie this one. Then this is always a little bit not difficult, but there. Up. Yes. So, this in place. Okay. So, now we have to get the handle back at its original position. Even kijken. Now we're gonna do the field blijft daar. De field techniek. So, dus yep. Careful not to over tight it. It's steel and aluminium, so easily. Now we're gonna adjust. Ja, dat is beter. Well, that one too. So. Now we're going to look into the service manual to see what the free play of the handle, the clutch handle should be. Clutch lever, I have to say. The free play at the end of the clutch lever is between 10 and 20 millimeters. Let's see. I take this middle of that ball, so, and now it's there. Wow, it's 25, so we need a bit more. That it's just a bit tighter, so just a bit more, and then it's alright. Yep. So now it's about 15 mil. It's the free play. Free play is it when you can wiggle it till this point. Okay. Push it back. So, job done. This one we're going to clean and grease it too. No. Wow. Watch this. Dirt. Man, oh man. Not good. Come on, guys. Let's clean it out. It's all dry. Got my special cleaning stuff. Petrol. We're gonna clean them. The dealer who maintained this bike was a terrible one. Really. Every now and then it needed a little bit of attention. Some grease or at least a drip of oil. That's a quick job. But even that is not the case. So this is still the grease from 20 years ago when it was in the factory. I can't understand why people want to have a business of maintaining motorbikes and then they don't do it well. Can't understand. But actually I never trusted them. Never in my life. Always did it myself.